friends, welcome back. I'm here at the Home Depot over here in the patio section. We're going to briefly go over the patio section to see what they have here. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Now let's get started. Nice chair here. The prices are in a different place, but I'm going to show you the items first. So this is an oversized stackable chair here. This is a stackable woven love seat. Here's the chart right here. The love seat is $249. The oversized stack chair by Sunbrella is $98. The slingback chairs are $29.98. The woven stack chair with the cushion is $89. And the steel slate stacking chair is $65. Okay, so this one here is the stackable sling chair. Beautiful red slingback chair here. They also have it in the blue. And this one is the stackable woven chair here. Nice. Stacking metal slate chair. Really, really nice, guys. And this is the Chase Lounge here. The slingback Chase Riverbed is $149. The Sling Chase by Sunbrella is $179. Okay. These coolers are $139. All in the color brown. Really nice and deep. They also have one in white right there. Okay. This beautiful Hampton Bay 7-piece dining set is $749. Okay, guys, it is on sale for $500. Okay, what a great surprise. All right. Okay, so we have this one over here. It is the Glen Ridge Falls Collection 7-piece dining set for $749. I like the design of the table. That's nice. Now look at this one. It says it has a new lower price on this 5-piece here. This is the Hazelhurst Collection. It is a 5-piece fire bistro set for $1,000. Okay, so this set is the St. Charles Collection. It is a 5-piece fire chat set for $1,299. So $1,300 for this one. Okay. And that umbrella, really, really nice with the lights. It is $400. It was $500. It was $600. So it's the offset solar umbrella in putty for $400. Original price was $600. These wood rocking chairs by Hamilton Bay. They are $149. This metal bench here by Hamilton Bay, it is $129. This reversible outdoor sign is $20. And how cute is that poof right there? That blue and white poof, it is $60. This blue garden stool is $60, as well as the red ones. Okay, this 3-piece set here, it is by Hamilton Bay. It is called Valley Spring 5-piece chat set for $500. Okay. Ooh, I like these down here. Now these are nice. So these are the Stylewell Florence 3-piece chat set for $300. These are really nice here. Oh yes, I love this one. That is beautiful. The Home Depot cooler is $25. Okay. This 50-gallon deck box is $100, which is right there. Is that it right there? Yeah, that's it right there, guys. They also have a smaller one up there for $59, and then that really huge one right there. That one, it was $249. Now it's on sale for $200 for that one. How many gallons is that one? Let's see if I can find it. can't see what the gallons is, guys, but yeah, it is here. So if this one is 50, that one may be 75 right there. Alrighty guys, they have these beautiful tables here. Oh my goodness, these tables look like the ones that was at the Tractor Supply store. If y'all have not seen that video, go and check it out. So these are folding tables. They are the one to the right. The blue one is $59 and the green one is $69. I'm not sure why it's different, but that's what the sign is saying. They also have the matching folding chairs, which are just so adorable, for $40. That blue one is really pretty, and the green. Okay. They also have the white. Okay. And the table. So now this table is saying $54, guys. So we'll see. Okay. This foldable chair is $69. I like this design here. It's really pretty. Oh, look at that setup there, guys. So the chairs up there are $65, and that beautiful table, it is $129. That red umbrella is $79. This Hamilton Bay bar cart is $149. All-weather resin wicker, rust-resistant, powder-coated steel frame, removable tray, and 4 wheels with 2 locking casters. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at these rugs, guys. These rugs are huge. Ooh-wee. So these rugs, so far, they're looking like they're an 8 by 10, and I see a 10 by 9. Okay. Okay, this one is smaller. This is a 5 by 6 here. Well, I'm looking for the prices, but I don't see any prices. Patterns are beautiful. LED color changing lights are $64.97. This is a replacement tabletop umbrella ring and plug for $3.48. LED plug-in string lights for $49.97. All of these are shatter resistant. Look how pretty that blue umbrella. That is so pretty. That blue is gorgeous. It's $59. These 18-inch outdoor pillows are $16.98. More beautiful pillows here. These woven pillows in the beige is $29.98. The red one is $29.98 as well. Okay, more patterns over here in the toss pillows that are $16.98. This 10.5-inch woven lantern is $30. The metal lantern with LED candle, it is $35. And the one to the left, which is a metal lantern with LED candles, is $45. That one. This Welcome to the Garden sign is $20. It's a metal sign. It's a 17.5. And this welcome sign is 24 inches. It is $20. It says, "Welcome to our patio." A set of 3 outdoor candles with the remote control. They're $20. The flameless LED candle, that is $14.98. This beautiful ceramic lantern in the color red is $14.98. They don't have, the blue one is gone, but the blue one is $12.98. And this one is $12.98. And all 3 are ceramic. Okay, a candle remote control. Oh, $5.98. I didn't know they sold them by themselves. Okay. This flying insect trap is $10. Okay, so look at this grill here. This is a 2-burner smart temperature griddle for $300. Okay. The warranty is 1 year. It also comes, you can get it with the 6 months everyday financing. Save up to $100 today by opening up a Home Depot card. Okay. So yes, it's $300 compared to $600. These lighters, they are $12.98 for a pack of 3. So they look a little different. Let's see. This one is flexible. The second one is the standard flame, and the third one is the torch flame. Okay. Well, that's good. 3 in 1. This Daytona 3-burner gas griddle is $200. It was $329, so that is a great deal. Oh, yes. Another nice grill over here by Next Grill. It is $200. It was $249. And this smaller grill here is the Jumbo Joe Premium 22-inch charcoal grill in black for $100. Premium hardwood pellets. It is Pro Blend with oak, hickory, and cherry. Natural flavored hardwood blend. Trusted performance and flavor for $24.98. It's a 30-pound bag. Okay. The Pro Series 22 pellet grill is $500. You can also get it with the 12 months financing here at the Home Depot. Okay. Really small, but a pretty good size. Okay. This huge griddle here, guys, it is absolutely wonderful. It is so huge, and it is the Flat Rock Flat Top Grill for $900. It is huge. Woo. Let me get another look over here. Oh, yes. Man, it has two sides and this huge griddle on the inside. And yes, that's the bottom right there. It has all the flat top grill essential kits. I'm not sure how much these cost, but they are huge. They also have that one right there, the Ultimate Smash Burger Kit. Yes. Home Depot have these riding modes on sale today. The first one to the right is the John Deere Gas Zero Turn Mower for $3,400. The Cub Cadet Gas Riding Mode, it is $2,350. This one is a zero turn riding mode. It is $3,000. Okay, and this one is $4,000. You save $1,000 on this one today. And this one is the Ryobi 80-volt 30-inch battery ZTR. They also have this one that is $5,000. It was $6,000. Okay. You can also get special financing here at the Home Depot on all of these modes. Okay, so yes. Well, all right, guys, that is it here at the Home Depot over here in the patio section. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was lovely today. I enjoyed it myself. So if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and all new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad to have you here. And until next time, you all take care, and I'll see you all in the next one.